Customer retention tip number 2. What is the best way to retain your customers, patients, or clients? Hello, America. This is Mark Hale with Wilson Print Marketing USA's marketing tip of the day. And this one has to do with customer retention. What is the best way, or what's one technique? I'm just going to give you one technique on retaining customers. Now, you probably have the other, the standard that you need to do. You need to provide a good service at a fair price and, be attentive to your customer. That's step 1 on customer retention. But step 2 is mailing a birthday card. So you've got a list of customers that have bought from you, that have purchased from you, and some of you may be gathering birth dates with that. It's not even a big deal if you're not. If you have a customer list and you have their address, their name, I can do what's called a reverse append and get their birth dates for you. It's very affordable. It's a service we offer so you can get the birth dates, right? So you mail a birthday card to them. Now you say, Mark, why don't I just do an email? That's quick, easy, I got it down. People are bombarded with emails. It's to the point anymore where it's impersonal and people are less likely to read an email because when they go to their inbox, it's just piled with stuff and they can't look at it. But their mailbox, they get it. It's a little card, got a cute little envelope, got a little frilly on the envelope, a stamp on it, and open it up and it's happy birthday, blah, blah, blah. For your birthday, here's a coupon card coming for this service or product and on your birthday. Works great. It'll improve your customer retention. It makes a memory because it's tangible. They can hold on to it. It's real to them. Okay. The other thing that you can do, now I'm getting on a tangent here a little bit. Bear with me. I promise this is gold coming out of my mouth. It's gold. Only gold comes out of my mouth. All right. So if you have a business, let's say you're an automotive repair shop or a dentist or a restaurant even, and you want to get more new customers, you can use the birthday card concept and we can get a list of people around your store, let's say within a half a mile, with their birth dates, and you do a mailer to them, either a postcard or you can do a folded, card with a birthday gift or a present in the thing. It works really good for automotive repair shops. It works great for heating air. It works fantastic for restaurants. If you have a restaurant and you want a way to increase, the number of patrons you have coming into your establishment, a birthday card mailing is a great way to do it. So I hope this content has helped you today. That's my goal and purpose in life, is I want to help everybody, improve their businesses and build the business of their dream. If you've liked the information I put through in this video, please like it below. And if you have a suggestion or some area that you'd like me to cover in future videos, please make a comment in the comment section. And above all, please subscribe to the channel, help a brother out, and I hope you have a good day.